how to create a poll on Facebook page. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device, and if you're logged into your Facebook account, now you have to switch your account to your Facebook page. For that, navigate at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon along with the three line under this chat icon. Now once you get to your menu page, now to switch your account into Facebook page, next to your profile name there is your page icon along with that arrow icon. Tap on that and that will directly switch to your Facebook page. Now once you get to your home page, tap on this section that says what's on your mind from the top of this interface. So first of all, type in your question that you would like to share as a poll in your Facebook page. Now to add poll, tap on this three dots icon and from this menu bar scroll down and tap on poll from all of these options. Now here you can add options to your poll. So add the first option and the second one as well. If you like to add more option, tap on this next button that says add poll option and then you can add the next option too. Or if you like to attach image along with your option, tap on this image icon next to that. Now select the picture from your gallery and then you can upload that with your options. Now there is one more settings under that says allow people to choose multiple options. Now if you like to allow people to choose more than one option from your poll, turn on this toggle. If not, you can turn off this toggle as well. By doing that, the people will only be able to choose one of the option. Once you're done, tap on this done option from the top right corner. Now here you have your poll ready to be posted. Now once you're ready, simply tap on the post button from the top right corner, and that's how you create a poll and post it to your Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.